This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start by confirming the essentials so fixes work. First, make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Without it, messages won't send. Then verify the recipient's number or contact entry so you're not sending to the wrong person. Once those are done, force close the messaging app and restart your phone to clear temporary glitches. This often restores normal behavior and gives you a clean state to continue fixing deeper issues. Now you'll dig into app and system settings to find hidden problems. Check the messaging app's permissions for SMS, contacts, and storage because missing permissions block sending and retrieval. Next, clear the app cache or data and update the app. Updates patch bugs and data clears often fix corrupted states. Also inspect SMS settings, SMS center number, MMS configuration, and group messaging options because incorrect values break delivery. After these changes, test sending a short text to confirm progress. Finish by ruling out carrier and deeper network issues. If messages still fail, test with another SIM or ask your carrier to check your account and SMS center routing. Sometimes carrier blocks or provisioning errors are the cause. If carrier checks out, reset network settings to restore correct APN and SMS routes. Finally, use the provider's web messaging or reinstall the messaging app as a last resort if problems continue. That one key troubleshooting tip is to capture error codes and share them with your carrier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.